So a lot of people have been asking in the comments, how do I become debt free? How do I set myself free from debt? Yes, it's very important because I've realized that if you are debt free, you can make some money for yourself. If you are out of debt, you can avoid paying some monies that are not supposed to be paid every month. So it's very important that you get out of debt. When I realized this, I set myself free, and at times cash reserves in my pocket, a lot of cash reserves in my pocket, and I determined that why won't I find ways and means to make these monies that are reserving in my pocket useful and making another money for me, multiplying itself rather than staying or just being in my pocket like that. So I've decided that I'll have to invest money. I decided that I have to make money work for me. So and that is why I have started. So today I have 5 ways to share with you, which I think, in my own opinion, will help you to get out of debt quickly and press forward towards your investment journey. So number 1, list out everything that you owe. It can be your car loan, it can be rental loan, it can be student loan, any kind of debts in which you find yourself. List them on piece of paper and put it beside your bed. Anytime you wake up in the morning, take that paper, look at it, develop strategies, plans concerning how you will pay that money. So that leads us to number 2. Decide how much you can pay each month on the listed loans, on the listed debt. How much can I pay in each month? So when you have this plan, you will allocate money, you will allocate cash for the payment of the listed debts on paper. List everything on paper, then decide how much you can pay each month. Then the third one is to track and reduce our expenses. Most of us spend our money unnecessarily. Pardon me for that, because I've seen a lot of people, they go out and hustle and make money and use that money to buy fancy clothes, fancy watches, and they remain poor because they know that they have the strength today and they will go back to work and get that money again without even thinking of investment, without even thinking of business, without even thinking of the future. So we need not to do that. We need to track our expenses or our spendings and then do something about it. We shouldn't just be spenders. We need to arrest and track our spending. When we do this, I think it will improve on reserving cash in our pocket to paying debts and to helping us get out of debt easily and quickly and prepare and plan concerning our future. Then the fourth one I want to talk about is to pay each bill on time. No matter how small the bill might be, we definitely need to pay those bills on time. When you consider it very small or very tiny, you say this one is small, I'll pay it when I get this other money. Before you realize, another one will come and add up to it. So it's very important that no matter how small it may be, we need to pay it on time to pave way for our own freedom or our own reserve cash to be spent on another important thing, which might be investing. I love investing. I love investing because the future is brightening. So we all need to track our spendings. We need to pay our bills on time each month. Then the last one I'll talk about, which is the 5th point, is to consider ourselves moving forward always. We need not to be static. We need to keep repeating the process, deciding how much we'll pay, writing everything down, everything in order, so that we'll keep on repeating this process. When we keep on repeating this process, it won't be long. We will be free from debt. You will be free from debts and plan towards your investment account. If you come across this video for the first time, please smash that like button for me. I really will appreciate that. Also, if you have something to say, or let me know your thoughts about this video by dropping in some comments to tell me your opinion about this video. Till then, I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.